Let's now talk about editing purchase invoices. Let's open one of them. I will tell you about the necessary fields that you can see on the header and in the lines. So we start with invoice number and vendor number and vendor name. We have some details about the addresses of the vendor and connection with our contacts in the system. We have dates, so we have document date, posting date, and the due date. With vendor invoice number, you can put the number of the vendor's invoice. We have purchaser code connected with vendor, campaign number connected with our CRM, responsibility and center, and assign user. We can assign users in it. In posting numbering series, as I said in the previous lesson, you can assign numbering series for this document. So you can choose the number that system will use after posting. We will skip the lines for a minute. In invoice details, you can assign currency code. This is taken default from the vendor card, so it's blank, so this will be invoice in local currency. When you choose your currency, the system will delete the lines and all the values will be given in this currency. Now we have our local currency. Most of the fields in this tab is taken by default from the vendor card. So we have some information about VAT business posting group. We have prices including VAT option and payment terms and method codes. You can of course change them here. This will be calculated for this invoice. We have two global dimensions. Of course, this works the same as we have in sales documents. So you can choose your department code and project code on the header, but you can change it on the lines. So this is headers dimensions, and we have also lines dimensions. I will show it on later. In shipping and payment, you can find some ship to address. By default, we have our company address here, but you can change it for external warehouse, for example, or use our location address. And we can change also pay to for different vendor here. In foreign trade, we can find some additional transactions specifications field.